Hi, my name is John Erickson, and I'm reading for the role of Jim.
But don't rule out a comeback just yet. Anything's possible even for you, Mikey. Here we go. It's my time, baby. Papa needs a new pair of Speedos. What do you know, for the shore. And moving on, your final question. Who is the best value in wireless? All right, let's see who's going home a winner today. Go big or go phone. That doesn't make any sense. Moving on. Jim, how much did you wager?
$495.
Which will put you at 0.
That's right. Rather be safe than sorry. And you know, here's the thing about perceived value. Depending on your data signal, the bit rate of information transferred to your phone can fluctuate depending on your actual proximity to the cell tower. So, in order to conduct...
Jim, you are the bane of my existence. Your answer, please.
Let's say your bit rate in that particular location is causing buffering.
That's incorrect. You're out of here. Betty, what does 4G LTE stand for? 4G LTE refers to network speed and bandwidth. Yes, and